Yeah, this thing's weird.
Watch it how it moves.
Yeah, I know.
That big bright light shining down, that's like what we saw that night coming to Mother's.
That's the exact same thing.
Watch it.
I don't know what it is. Now I've lost it. Let me go back up here on Mama's porch. It's went back. It's going down the hill. It's going down the hill. Oh, now I see it good. What is that? I have no idea. I'm gonna get up on Mama's porch. There it is again. I can't tell what it is. It's going up again. Now here comes the airplanes coming. Just like it did last time. Ooh, you can see three lights. Now two. There's a star. Only I got this old picture phone or this iPhone, but it don't give it credit to what we're seeing. And you can't see it from my house, but you can see it up here because it's elevated and higher up in the sky. Does that thing move? Right then? It's going back up in the sky. Go closer. Now you can barely see it. Huh? It's doing something. It's moving. That's right. You can see it at Mama's and see it back here. Well, you can see the lights on it, on this phone, on this camera. If I go up, I've got it again. That's as much as I can enlarge it. Huh? What is it? I can still see it. It's right here. Come here over here. You can see it. It's cloaking or something because it's about ready to, you can't hardly see it no more. This thing's weird. What's that? That thing's gone. It went somewhere. It's gone now. Well, you can still see a little bit of it.